Hello and welcome to Shirt and Simple Online Tutorials. Today, as part of the Design Center training series, we're going to be talking about the design canvas in step 2. Now, to access this tutorial, you can click on this question mark button here at any time. And to learn more about some of the features that we'll be talking about in this tutorial, you can either watch the full tutorial or click on any of these question marks that you see around the screen. The design canvas is basically this center area inside of step 2 where you actually see the components that you're designing with. You can zoom in on your product in this center area, the design canvas, by using this zoom slider here. You can also switch back and forth between the available print screens, which are the locations on the product you've selected that we can customize for you, by clicking the buttons up here. And if if the sleeves are available, or if you're designing on pants, then the legs are available. Whichever screens are available will show up here. You can toggle on and off the design area for the printable location by clicking this button here. And you'll notice that this design, this text up here, is a little bit outside this red box. So we're going to want to resize this a little bit just to make sure that it's inside the print location. If anything is outside of this box, there's a good chance that we can't print it, and we will definitely contact you. Inside the box, and by the way, you can turn off that by just clicking this button on and off. Inside of the design canvas, we can click on the different layers to select them, and you'll notice that when you click on these, a blue boundary box appears around the layer, and this is good for text, added art, uploaded images, added customized name placeholders, and customized number placeholders. And if you move your mouse by these handles on the corners and sides of each of these each of these components that are inside the design canvas that you've added, you'll notice different tools come up, and these tools allow you to resize, rotate, and then even in some cases you can, depending on what property specifications you have selected, you can stretch and squeeze and flip and flop and really customize the look of your product. I'm going to make this ball a little smaller there. One other cool little tip about the design canvas is, let's say we wanted to resize this entire screen, all 3 of these layers on this screen. What we can do is we can select one, like we have, and then we can hold down our shift key and select as many other layers as we want. And then we can use the handles to resize, or rotate, or move. And that's a really easy way to kind of customize multiple layers at once and give them the same properties. So that is the design canvas. The other feature in the design canvas obviously is this change product button, which allows you to go back to step 2 and actually change the product that you're designing on. So that is the design canvas in step 2. Thank you for completing this tutorial.